Welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today is 8th August 2022 and we're going to take a look at the market condition. So far what market is doing, as we all can see, today market got rejected at 417.62, but overall market condition, let's take a look at it. As you can see, the trend line is intact, support is intact, resistance was broken here towards the upwards, so that is intact. 50-day moving average support is intact, then 100-day moving average is right there, which you can take a look at it. That also we poked through, and we have now resistance. Today we tested the resistance at 417.62 right there. That's our W pattern right there, which is W pattern right there. So that's the resistance. Okay, and then resistance is that at that we got rejection today. So if you notice right here today, there are a couple of things I noticed. Okay, one thing is, let's take a look at the volume. Okay, so I need to show you the volume today. As you can see, volumes are right there. Today was the second lowest. So let me see, let me show you the volume. Highest right there. Okay, right there. So today was, if you take a look at today, is the right day right there. Today is your second lowest volume of the year, guys, January. And if you look at the trend line right there, look at that, second lowest. That was the day before yesterday was the lowest of the year, and today was the second lowest volume of the year. What does it mean? It means, if you take a look at it right here, if you see right here, volumes from here to here is going down, right? You see this downward, volume is going down. Look at the volume here, here, here. Even the market was selling off, right? But over here volume is super down. That means no buyer in the market, only market makers and some traders are trading, no market in the buyers. Okay, so that's what I can see right here. Okay, so that's the one thing. Also, second thing what I notice here, okay, let me get rid of the volume so we can all see very carefully. But if you look at the price action, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So today market gap up and go. Remember, market open up, a gap up and go in the morning when market open up right there. So it's called price action. If you see, look at that, the trend is upward. If you see right here, just to show you, the trend price action is upward. What does it mean? Bullish. That's what it looks like. Price action is bullish. Still market has a bullish upward trend. Everything looks bullish. But today we hit the resistance. But I want to show you something, so we need to keep it in mind always. Diversion. Okay, whenever price action going up, we need to take a look at it, because I do not see on a daily diversion yet, but I do notice diversion on 4 hours. So we're gonna discuss that to show you diversion on 4 hours. As you can see, the price action is right here on this candle. We are the highest peak right there, highest peak right there, and the lowest peak is today we touch down, right? So we touch here. So price basically going down. But if you take a look at here, from here to here, right here, price was this way, and then this price is right here today, right here. So what does it mean? From here to here, from here to here is going, price action is going upward, but the MACD pointing downwards, right? You see this, the MACD is showing the trend is downward, early indication. But this is all only on a 4 hours, not on daily yet. What does it mean? So if you take a look at previous resistance right here, which was on daily chart, as you can see right here, when we got a rejection, we spent 8 days here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 days right here. Now we are here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days right here. So this resistance we were 8 days, this resistance we are 8 days, but this is upward resistance, this is sideways. But let's see what happened on 4 hours charts at that time. So we take a look at that time right here, what exactly happening. If you take a look at the price of control here, the highest MACD was right here at the top here, right? And then market was steady right there, but the MACD was pointing If you look at that, MACD was going down. You see this? Pointing down diagonally. Look at this right here. So it's going down right here. But this was market was here. Similar situation I notice is here where the price is going upwards, but the MACD pointing down. So this could be early hidden diversion, just to what I noticed, and I thought let me give the heads up. Based on that, what we do we go and do short the market? No, we don't short the market, but we don't go super long in an intraday until unless the resistance breaks. So this is the resistance to be broken to be bullish. Until then, we need to wait for the market. Okay, so wait for the market. This is how we do. So intraday is the best option at this point because we never know, right? So this is how we like to trade. Okay, now one more thing we need to look also. Okay, remember this right here, 5-minute chart. So let's take a look at what I notice on 5-minute charts. If you look at it, market going upwards. Okay, if I showed you on a daily, right? But if you look at the 5 minutes price of control line, you see the red line, red line, red line, red line here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So we going stepping down, price of control line. So buyer market tried to push up today, but the buyer got rejected today. So if you see, we are going lower, lower, lower. So what does it mean? Well, the buyers right now, buyers and sellers are sitting here at 4:30. What does it mean? This means the trend has little slightly changing. Until unless buyer lines up and break through this resistance, then it could be a bullish. Until then, we have to be wait and watch. So what the scenario would be, if this support breaks, which is 407 right here, that's the major, because we have 1 2 3 almost 7 days of the work right here. This is the major support. If that breaks, then the trend could be downward. Until then, we're just gonna be trading right here. If the resistance breaks, then we'll be super bullish. Until then, so there are 3 scenarios. When the resistance breaks, we're gonna go trade upward, bullish. I'll be buying a lot of calls and blah blah blah. And if it breaks to the resistance, support, then we're buying the puts. But at this point, we are right in the middle of the no man's zone, so we are basically trading intraday. Okay, so this is what it guys looks like. 5 minutes daily, 4-hour charts, how the market looks setting up at this point. As we all see, we hit the resistance, market trending bullish, everything is looking bullish. Only thing is diversion, early indication, just to keep it in mind. Let's see. All right, so this is what market look like. Tomorrow morning 9:30 will be live. Market opens. If you guys have any questions, please put a comment below on YouTube as well as on Twitter. If you are on Twitter, I'm always live on Twitter, Top Trading Edge right there. And this is the Twitter handles information if you have. And always guys live, it's free. You can join anytime and you can learn. All right. So thank you very much for being here. And if you did not subscribe, please subscribe on YouTube as well as on Twitter. Please retweet. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.